This project for TRANSFIX takes it to a whole new level because we need to do these containers fast, and we need to do them safe, and we need to do them clean and on budget. But we do have to keep a high level of finish, as we always do at Arch. Hey, I'm Evan Collier. I'm the president and founder of Arch Production and Design NYC. And we're here in our 23,000 square foot facility in West Nyack, New York. The first project of the year in our new facility is for TRANSFIX Art. We are building 6 VIP containers, 4 40-foots and 2 20-foots, and 4 bar containers. We're taking old containers and chopping them up, putting in new structural steel, putting in wall studs, electrics, lights, flooring, repainting them top to bottom, putting in doors, windows, AC units, the works. And we are customizing these VIP and bar containers and shipping them out to Las Vegas to Resorts World, where TRANSFIX Art is launching their very first location and event space. We have about 60 days to chop these 10 containers, start to finish, from arrival here at Arch all the way through on the truck ready to leave for Vegas. These containers exemplify what we do at Arch. We design the containers start to finish, 3D modeled them, doing all the decor and finishes for the 4 of the bar containers and the theme zones that those bar containers are in. CAD drawings and full drawing sets for the structural steel and the electrical, mechanical components for all of the VIP containers. We've sourced all the doors, all the finishes, the flooring. We came up with a system where we could weld in galvanized steel studs into all the containers and then put up the paneling inside the containers using a maple UV1 wood panel that hangs on the galvanized steel struts using French cleats. Behind that, all the power is run. They're coming out pretty nice. We're really excited about the containers that we've already shipped out, and then doing these last 4 bar containers and then getting into the decor elements for the different zones at the event space.
Hi, my name is Rico. I'm the metal supervisor and lead fabricator for Arch Production and Design. 5 to 6 day weeks, going about 10 hours a day, making sure everything's like happening and just ninja everything. Make sure everything's going good and quick. The project's awesome because, you know, as a burner myself, this is continuing that whole experience from being out to the desert, having a good time, building and taking it down, to now I'm building stuff again, and it's in a new light, and it's a great place for all this wonderful art that's not on display anymore to be displayed for everyone to see and enjoy outside of the burner. If an issue comes up, it's like, oh, I get to like think about this and make it happen. It's not just some simple run-of-the-mill assembly. Everything is bespoke, everything is done from scratch, and we're all the people to do it.
This container job uses all of the skills that Arch has: heavy machinery, welding, production, drafting, scenic painting, fine finishing, woodwork, electronics, the works. In our new facility here in West Nyack, we have the space to work on 4 to 6 containers at a time, and we had the space to receive 10 containers all at once in our shipping and receiving parking lot. Shipping containers are part of Arch. It has been part and parcel of our style and our method for many years. We've had roller skates here designed by my mentor, Yara Mazzetti, that we used to move containers around in the shop space, in the studio, and in the yard. And we got to bring in shipping container casters that walk into the corner blocks on the containers and allow us to roll the containers around. With the 10 containers modified, 2 20-foot VIPs, 4 40-foot VIPs, and 4 20-foot fully ready to rock and roll bars in less than 60 days. This is a perfect example of Arch in full production and fabrication mode, and this couldn't have happened unless we had moved into this new 23,000 square foot facility.